Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the physical tools, your R4 cartridge, a suitable micro SD, and a card reader. First, format the micro SD to FAT32. This ensures the DS can read it. Make sure to back up any files before erasing. Next, download the kernel or firmware that matches your exact R4 model because mismatched firmware causes boot failures. Once done, extract the firmware files onto the root of the micro SD, so the DS sees the loader immediately when the card is inserted. You now organize firmware and games for reliable loading. Put kernel files exactly in the micro SD root and keep any ini or README for settings. Create a dedicated ROMs folder and copy NDS files there using short, clean file names. This avoids file system or loader issues. If a game needs a region patch or a specific header, apply it now with the recommended tool so the kernel recognizes it. Also, make sure save files go into the folder type your kernel expects, whether /save. You finish by inserting the micro SD into the R4 and plugging the cartridge into the DS. Power on and load the kernel menu. If the kernel starts, select a game and confirm it launches and creates a save. Make any in-kernel adjustments for save type or cheats, then test a quick save and reload to confirm stability. If something goes wrong, like a black screen or no menu, stop and check that the kernel matches the R4. File names are correct and case-sensitive, and the card is formatted FAT32.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.